Now let us start the questions. Question number 1. Among the plots of pressure versus volume as given below, which or corresponds to Boyle's law? So here pressure in a y-axis, volume in x-axis. This is slope getting down, and here that is started, gradually decreases and gradually increases and maintain the constant. So we know that Boyle's law PV equal to nRT is a constant, so PV is equal to constant, so option A is the correct answer. This is a consistency value. Question number 2, volume versus temperature curve at different pressure P1 and P2 for ideal gases are shown below. This is the graphical diagram is given in the question. Volume term in y-axis, temperature in x-axis. Two different pressures are raised to P1 and P2. Which of the following is correct? P1 is greater than P2, or P1 is less than P2, or P1 is equal to P1, or P2 upon P1 is equal to 1 by 2. So we know ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT. V is constant, nR is constant. So only changes takes place with the pressure and the temperatures. Pressure is directly proportional to temperature. When pressure increases, temperature also would be increases. In the beginning of the class, I told you to draw the horizontal and vertical line. So here this is called the horizontal line, and these two are the vertical line respect to the P1 and P2. So this is called the P1 related to temperature T1 and P2 related to temperature is T2. So T1 is less and T2 is more. So when pressure P1, T1 is less. T1 is less, pressure also less. T2 is more and P2 also is more. So P2 is greater than P1. Second option is the correct option. Next question, same graphical diagram question. Roman letter 1, 2, 3 or the isotherm respectively T1, T2 and T3. The temperature will be in the order the graphical diagram is given in the question. T1 at the top curve, T2 at the middle curve and T3 at the bottom curve. In x-axis and y-axis, pressure in y-axis, volume in a x-axis. The options are T1 is greater, T1 is equal to T2 equal to T3. T3 is greater than T2 is greater than T1. T1 is greater than T2 is greater than T3. T1 is greater than T2 is equal to T3. The trick we will follow is PV is equal to nRT. See the question and cancel it and draw the vertical and horizontal line first. So PV is equal to nRT. First curve is T1, middle curve is T2 and bottom curve is T3. First draw the horizontal line for T1 and horizontal line for T2 and horizontal line for T3. And then you point out this T1 vertical line and T2 vertical line and T3 vertical line. V1 is very high. When you compare from 0 here, V2 is less and V3 is very less. So this is the volume term in x-axis, pressure term in y-axis. PV equal to nRT. Here constant is, pressure is constant and the volume is, nRT is constant. Volume is directly proportional to temperature. When V1 is more, T1 also more. V2 is less, T2 is less. V3 is least and T2 is very least. So V1 is greater than, V2 is greater than V3, or T1 is greater than, T2 is greater than T3. So our option is C option, T1 is greater than, T2 is greater than T3. Question number 4. Given van der Waals constant for ammonia NH3, hydrogen H2, O2, oxygen and CO2 carbon dioxide are respectively 4.17, 0.244 and 1.36 and 3.59 respectively. Which one of the following gases most easily liquefied? 2018 NEET question. These are the values of ammonia for 4.17, hydrogen 0.244, for oxygen 1.36, for carbon dioxide is 3.59. So among these values, the highest value is 4.17. So ammonia is a most easily liquefiable gases. Let us see this. Intermolecular forces of gases is converted into liquid. Here van der Waals forces increases, liquefaction also will be increases is the main concept. Please by heart this concept. Van der Waals forces increases, liquefaction also increases. In ammonia, 4.17 highest value is van der Waals forces more, liquefaction also more. So among these four options, ammonia is liquefiable more easily than other things. Then liquefaction of gases, correct factor, same 2018 question, density of gas molecules. Here states of matter and chemical bondings or more questions will be more weightage of the question in NEET. An electric field between gas and gas molecules, B bar W is nothing but between is a short form. Force of attraction between gas of molecules. Liquefaction of gases is definitely related to the force of attraction between the gas molecules. Thank you, students.